The One Act Festival is an annual theater festival that high schools in districts all across the United States hold. The different districts are each separated into groups and then compete against each other by doing a one-act play in 40 minutes or less. Plays such as Almost Maine, Spoon River, The Boys Next Door and Away From Here are some examples of the plays that have been used in the festival. There are also some high school student playwrights that write a play on their own specifically for this competition. The festival is separated into different levels: regionals, states, an area, New England, the Midwest, etc. There is no national stage of competition. The area level is purely a festival. It is a showcase of the best in each state, not a competition. In order to qualify for the subsequent stages of the festival, a school must achieve first place, given to 2 schools, in the initial stage. Judges score on the basis of the actors' performances as well as the technical stage crew speed and efficiency. The judges present all of their comments, questions and sometimes even compliments on the play, the set, the actors, the costumes and stage crew to the entire cast and crew when they are in the adjudication room. Further reading. Murray, Stephen, 2010. Taking Our Amusements Seriously. Lap. ISBN 978-3-8383-76080.